to Independent Disabled Art and Craft. Right now. Not me alone there. Don't know. R.I.P. to DJ Wheelchair. The man ya have to be remembered. Because them man ya a top selector. And they could have named themselves a different name. They said DJ Wheelchair. So that represent everybody wearing a wheelchair. Right now tell us say Independent Disabled Art and Craft. Right that's how it. Paper, plastic, chubby buckle, toothpaste box, magazine, whatever you name it, we work with. Everything we work with. Everything we work with. And we say work non-stop and make the world be a better world.